We are living in an ever-evolving digital age where inspiration and ideas to drive innovation are everywhere. To deliver tomorrow's innovations, better solutions are needed that are capable of connecting imagination, data, and knowledge with the right people at the right time. Social media has changed the way we communicate with each other, and 3D Experience Social Collaboration Services brings that comfortable mode of communication to the business world, powered by the 3D Experience platform. The 3D Experience platform is a business experience platform providing applications and services for every team in your ecosystem. From engineering and manufacturing to marketing, sales, executive offices, and more. It allows you for the first time to centralize information from various sources and enables data-driven decision-making. It digitally connects all stakeholders, enabling collaboration across the entire ecosystem, and it allows you to securely store and share relevant data easily, anytime, anywhere. Social Collaboration Services is a better way to empower innovation and manage your business by connecting employees, partners, and customers across your ecosystem to collaborate so that you can build and deliver the best products and experiences for your customers. Because if we connect imagination with knowledge, we empower our community to drive innovation.